Hi, I'm Earl, and this is my Tenna story.
Earl has spent most of his life managing large equipment fleets. It wasn't always easy. His days used to be spent with a phone on each ear, his dry erase board and marker in hand, and mechanics needing to know which project to go to first. Today is a bit different. Now, Earl logs on to Tenna to get the information he needs. What's in need of repair in the next 2 weeks? How many assets are in the yard? How many assets are being rented? What needs to be moved where and by when? The number of calls and emails with these types of questions have gone way down. Although Earl still gets up at 4 a.m. to get to the office, because he's been doing that for the past 26 years, he's not running around like a madman by 6 p.m. Because now, he knows more from the data, can control more because communication has been greatly improved, and can make more of his day to stay ahead of the curve. If you want to manage your construction fleet better, look at technology built for construction.